Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Google Drive. Notion serves as an all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, and project management, offering a highly customizable environment. Google Drive, conversely, is primarily a cloud storage solution, excellent for file hosting and sharing. We'll explore their distinct functionalities, helping you understand which platform better suits your specific needs for organization and collaboration. Let's dive into the details. Notion provides powerful organizational tools, including linked databases, custom templates, and flexible workflows, making it perfect for structured information. Google Drive excels in file storage, document creation with docs, sheets, and slides, and real-time collaboration on these files. While Notion builds systems, Drive manages individual files. Each platform offers unique strengths, depending on whether you need a dynamic workspace or robust file management. Both platforms support real-time collaboration, but in different capacities. Notion allows collaborative editing of pages and databases within shared workspaces, fostering team projects. Google Drive enables co-editing of documents and straightforward sharing of files and folders. Drive integrates seamlessly with other Google services, while Notion offers a growing API for connecting with third-party tools, expanding its versatility for diverse team environments. Notion offers a free personal plan, with team plans starting around $8 per month per user. Google Drive provides 15 gigabytes of free storage, and paid plans begin at $2 per month for 100 gigabytes. Notion is ideal for comprehensive knowledge management, project tracking, and building custom systems. Google Drive is best for simple file storage, document creation, and easy file sharing, serving different organizational needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.